Just got to Topgolf in Vegas, and it feels really good outside. It's 70 degrees right now. Perfect weather. Look at this. It's just huge TVs, kind of just hanging out, you know what I'm saying? And it's a vibe. So just celebrating a good month so far. It's October. Trump just announced tariffs, and just haven't really made any crazy trades, but because of Trump and the whole tariff announcements, gold has been on a surge. So I had to get into that opportunity. I leveraged up. I got into a gold trade. I swung it for about a week and a little bit less than a week actually. And I'm up. So I'm going to break down this trade because it's crazy. This is probably one of my top 5 trades of my trading career. So I want to break it down for you guys. Just super thankful. You know, everything's clicking for me when it comes to day trading. And I feel good. So Vegas, doing a trade breakdown with my homie right now, and feeling good.
Woo. Gently follow through.
I'm trying to hit that blue over there, but
damn it. I hate this one. Let's try the regular driver.
what hole are you getting?
I'm trying to get in the
Blue?
Ideally.
You got it.
Nope.
Nice. Go.
Keep your eye on the ball.
I was watching that on YouTube. People mostly slice because of this.
Jerks your arm when you follow through.
They catch up.
Concerning. Oh, we can't have any of that.
Wait, what's the difference between this one and then this one?
I don't fucking know what that easiest to hit one is, but I think if you look at this,
The sure thing.
it's significantly shorter. No.
4.
No, don't say that. I got 3 phones, one for my bitches and one for my hoes and one for my other bows.
Okay, Gates. Yeah, they made these drinks super light. I don't feel shit.
Sad about it.
But we got 2 more hours, so.
No, she just came back and she said that they're fully committed after this, so they can't extend our reservation.
At all?
I know. Well, we know this is a fun activity. We can bring our computers.
Yeah,
we can
true.
do this.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be great weather.
Yeah, true.
Especially during the weekdays, there's no one here.
Yeah. Damn, that means we only have like 30 minutes left.
I know.
Or
Well,
whatever.
I guess then I gotta win. Is it my turn? Yeah.
Oh shit!
Wow, that was a beautiful shot.
Where'd it
but
go?
it's not gonna give you anything in the game. Oh, actually, okay. That was beautiful. Well done.
I don't even know where the ball's at because I'm so focused on hitting it that like I lose it. You want another tequila shot?
Sure.
One more tequila shot of the what was the order again?
The same one. Can we get them chilled though? Yeah. Thank you.
Actually, can I get an orange peel?
Yeah.
Or, I mean, an orange slice? Yeah.
Orange slice, yeah. Chilled and orange slice. Thank you so much. If the fries kind of slightly taste like donuts, they're just giving me donut vibe. Like there's a cinnamon sugar aspect to them, or am I on crack? I feel like I should have asked you what they taste like, because now it's gonna placebo it. Like there's something slightly sweet, right?
I do taste like 1% sugar.
Right. No, like it's a hint of a hint of sugar.
I hear it. Hell yeah.
Tick down the mountain. Oh yeah, there we go.
hell yeah, you got a
Nice.
blunder.
Dang, that didn't actually do much.
Oh, they're gone. All right. Better angles.
Look at Rasputin. That's just to finding friendships with people in a city where there's so many people but so few quality people.
Oh, I love that. That's perfect. Uh-huh.
That was not where you're supposed to go, but it's in.
Hey.
Better. There was a bend in that knee, but it was so good.
Look! Oh shit!
Ah!
Let's fucking go! Let's go!
Yeah! See?
Thanks, coach.
I got
Seriously,
you. I got you.
That was
my guy.
all you. Damn, that's lit. So we're wrapping up Topgolf and feeling good. 2 shots deep. No, 3 drinks. Wait, how many drinks are we in right now?
2
shots.
regular drinks.
So 2 shots deep, and then we had a regular drink. We're getting kicked out in about 5 minutes. But I'm gonna do a trade breakdown for you guys as soon as I get home and show you guys how I made $13,000 in 3 days trading gold. It was a long position and it was a great setup. Donald Trump, he actually mentioned basically this whole little tariff thing going on against China, 100% tariffs against China. I'm a little tipsy, but so that is causing people to reallocate their funds towards gold, which is very bullish right now. So I'm gonna break it down. All right, back in the home office, I wanna break down this gold trade for you guys. So I have my TradeLocker up on the screen right now. In the left-hand corner, you're gonna see that this is a live account, and then you're gonna see that $13,000 P&L, right? So I did take a couple of trades after, and I did lose around 4 grand, but it's okay because I'm still up. So really proud of it. But I'm gonna show you my entry, my exits. That way you can kind of see on TradingView what I actually saw. That way I can actually just break everything down for you guys. So, you know, right here, you can see my entry price is $39.35. So if we go to TradingView, you can see this is my entry, right? So let's double click on it. $39.35 is my entry, okay? So let's go back to the stop loss. Stop loss is $39.15. And then let's go back to gold. You can see $39.15 right here for stop level, right? And then my take profit was $42.72. So let's go back and you can see my TP price right here. See, $42.72. All right, so the fun stuff. Let's go ahead and break down this entire trade. So you can see over here on my indicators, I do use some of the ICT indicators, but I also use the EMA and then price action to really figure out what price is doing. So in this case, I'm on the 4-hour time frame on gold, and you can see that my 20 and 50 EMA are below price. So when price is above the 20 and 50 EMA, you know, that's typically bullish. And then if we zoom out just a little bit, you're gonna see that a upward trend is going, right? So we're definitely bullish on gold. And then there's, you know, just turbulence overall when it comes to the overall global economy. So people are less risk averse, and you know, they want to start putting money into, you know, safe haven assets like, you know, the Japanese yen or gold. So what I wanted to look for was confluence. I can't just assume that, you know, price is bullish just looking at this trend, because it is a shorter trend, even though I am on the 4-hour time frame. So I went ahead and zoomed out, and you can see there's a big break to the upside, right? This is that buy side liquidity. It's been consolidating for a little while, and then boom, we see a breakout, and then higher highs and higher lows being formed. But what I wanted to look for was confluence, okay? So right here, you can see the 20 and the 50 EMA on the daily, price is above and respecting it. We also see price above the 20 and the 50 EMA on the 4-hour. And then if we go ahead and go to the 1-hour, right, you can see for the most part, price is trending above that 20 and the 50 EMA. So now I was like, all right, we do have confluence. We are within this bullish trend that I drew up. So these black lines that you see right here. And then we see basically a break of structure, okay? So right here was, that was kind of like an alert for me. I'm like, all right, cool. We have a solid break of structure. You know, we were at the bottom of that trend towards that support. We broke out. So I'm looking for a standard break and retest. And I also have my ICT indicators just to really give me some more clues on, you know, where that pullback can, you know, draw into. So let's go ahead and play this really quick and move it forward. So we see this breakout, and as a trader, I really like looking for those break and retest opportunities.
So you can see right here, we see this pullback into this fair value gap right here. Okay, so let me go ahead and point it out. So right here, we see this long wick and price started exhausting, right? So you can see over here, this is where I started really drawing out my long calculator or my long tool. And you can kind of see it aligns with that pullback right there. So let's go ahead and zoom in on it really quick. And let's just look at the details, right? So this was a perfect break and retest. Price could have came all the way down here, but it didn't. And I think that's when I started getting into it, looking for a buy on gold. So let's go ahead and continue playing this really quick. And so price is consolidating a little bit, comes back to that fair value gap, and now we're pushing higher, right? So this was my entry. This is a perfect break and retest, right? This significant break to the upside was the break. We didn't see a significant pullback to this resistance, and I wasn't expecting it to, because I think that's when Trump made the announcements that he's going to implement that 100% tariff against China, which is definitely bullish. All right, so we start seeing that bullish momentum come into the market. So let's go ahead and continue playing it out. And it just continues going up, right? So let's just play it. Bear with me, I'm not really good at this replay tool, but you can see we're just forming those higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so this blue resistance that I drew right here was an opportunity for me to move my stop loss to break even. My stop loss was actually pretty tight. So if you see my entry was right around here, and my stop loss was below, right around here. So it didn't have a lot of breathing room. So as soon as it broke up towards that top of this channel, that's when I moved my stop loss to break even. I'm in a risk-free trade. So let's go ahead and continue playing. I think I got into the Discord and I let everybody know that I'm into this play. It was a slower week, but as soon as we got that news, everything was good. So we see that pullback, right? And luckily I didn't trail it at that moment. So I got in and I was like, oh snap, like let me go ahead and move my stop loss back down to where it was, right? So I almost got taken out of the trade, but I didn't trail it just yet because I was waiting for some sort of impulse. So then price continues to consolidate a little bit, and then it breaks back above. We see that buy side liquidity form right there, and then I was looking for a pullback, but it just did not pull back. The Trump news started affecting the markets a lot more, and then boom, I started really getting excited about this trade because it's getting close to my TP. And then boom, so that's TP right there, $13,000. What was the total amount? Let me see. Let me pull up my TradeLocker. Hold on. So the total amount was, let me just share it. So right here you can see this is my live account, $13,228, and it was just amazing. So I still believe that gold is going to continue going up because there's just turbulence in the world right now. Trump is re-implementing tariffs against China and some other countries. China is starting to retaliate, and they're basically clapping back with their own tariffs. So I did see a pullback a couple of days ago, but overall I'm still bullish on gold. So that's all I got, guys. I just wanted to break this down for you. Super excited. I had a really good week last week, and I celebrated. I went out with one of my homegirls. We had some good food. We went to Topgolf. I did a little bit of shopping as well. So, I'm not going to overtrade. I'm just going to chill and just really soak this $13,000 trade in. And yeah, just excited. So, just wanted to share this with you. I know I've been doing a lot of videos on like broker updates. Well, that's because brokers have been shutting down. So I wanted to keep you guys informed. But you know, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and join my Discord. It's absolutely free. I don't sell any courses. It's literally just a free community. We hop on live, you know, we go through the charts, you know, we do breakdowns, and then we look for opportunities to make money. So, you know, if you're interested in that, go ahead and you know, join my Discord, and I have other information below as well. So, you know, people always ask me, hey, what broker do you use? I use GatesFX, so I'll provide that information in the description below.